In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix low Wi-Fi signal strength in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by clicking the Start menu on your taskbar, then type Device Manager into the search bar. Take a moment to type it clearly, then click on Device Manager from the results to open it. Inside Device Manager, look for the section labeled Network Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, which may be labeled something like Intel Wi-Fi or Realtek Wireless. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then select Update Driver. In the next window, click Search Automatically for drivers. This allows Windows to check for any available updates that could improve your connection. If you're still seeing low signal strength, the next step is to reset your network settings. Click the Start menu again and open Settings. In the Settings window, click Network and Internet from the left sidebar. Then scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. On the next screen, click Reset Now, then confirm by selecting Yes. Your computer will restart, so wait for it to complete the process. After your PC restarts, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager again. Expand the Network Adapter section, then right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Advanced tab. Look through the list and find the option called Preferred Band. Click on it, then change the value to prefer 2.4 GHz band. This setting improves range and signal strength, especially through walls. Click OK to save your changes. Now reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Click the Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar, select your network, and carefully enter your password to connect again. Once connected, check the signal bars to see if the strength has improved. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.